guys, it's Jarrell. Today I have a natural, everyday makeup look. I feel like that's the title of every single makeup look I do on this channel. I just love showing you guys my updated makeup routine and what I do every day. Follow my other social media so you can see my life outside of YouTube, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm first gonna start off with tying my hair back so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing for my makeup. I normally kind of just like leave it down because I don't really care, but we're gonna be tying it back for this tutorial. Also, sorry guys, I couldn't find a shirt to wear, so I'm not wearing any shirt. Just kidding, I'm so funny. It's because it's camo. Anyway, okay, I suck, I know. The first thing I'm gonna do is prep for my makeup. I use my Milk Makeup. This is the blur stick. So this is so great if you have large pores like I do. I have literally the biggest pores ever. Next thing I'm gonna be doing is taking my Professional Primer by Benefit. Put that on the back of my hand. I've been using this primer since I was in middle school. Now I'm moving into the foundation. So the foundation I've been obsessed with for so long is the Too Faced Born This Way. Especially during finals week, I'm like super stressed, so I start just breaking out like crazy. Okay, so now my foundation is all blended in. I don't know what happened to my lighting. It's literally getting dark, so that's good. Bear with me. So now I'm taking my concealer. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer. So now that I have all of that on my face, I'm gonna set it all. I use this powder by Tarte. I really love this powder, as you could tell, because I've hit pan. Okay, so now that that's all in place, I actually set my face with this e.l.f. setting spray. I figured this out, how to do this. It just like locks everything in place, and then I put a different powder on top of that, but just underneath my eyes. So let me set this really quick. Okay, so now that's in place. Now what I do, I take this powder, which is so amazing. This is my Benefit Hello Flawless powder. Yeah, and pick up some of that product, and then I pack it right underneath my eyes. I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. So the first thing I do is comb them out with my Anastasia, what is this? This thing, you know, that you comb your eyebrows out with. My Anastasia Dip Brow, I've been using this stuff for so long, still hasn't run out yet. So I pick up some of that product. Now what I do is take the Anastasia brow powder, and I take the darker side and I fill them in basically again, but this kind of sets them in place to make sure they don't like move or change shape throughout the day. I take my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. It looks like that. Such a beautiful bronzer, but it also works so well for your eyes. So I take a MAC brush. It's filled with this product. Sorry, I just use it every day. So I just take a little bit of that and put it right in my crease. I think it looks so good, so you guys should definitely try this out. Plus, it saves you so much money because now you don't have to go out and buy eyeshadow. Now that I have like that portion done, I normally don't want to like put this down and pick it back up again, so I just do my bronzer really quick. I'm so lazy. So I take this little MAC brush, pick up some of that, and then just apply it straight to my cheeks. So to finish off my face, I take this Tarte blush in Exposed. You guys know how much I love these blush. Oh, it's getting lighter again. Going straight into mascara, I use this one as always. It's my favorite Benefit Roller Lash, which is actually running very low. I really need to get a new one. This is the Benefit They're Real mascara, which I've been using like crazy lately. Last but not least is highlight. I take the Tarte Exposed highlight as well. I really love this product, as you could tell. And since we already added chapstick, I am done. This is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I do every day for my makeup. I wear this to school, I wear this on weekends, any event. It's super natural, but it also enhances your features, so I feel like it's so perfect for every day. And it really doesn't take too long. I love doing my makeup, so I just love this look. Make sure to subscribe right down below to see my videos, which I make every single week. Leave me a request in the comments as well. If you guys want to see a skincare routine, I would love to do that for you. And wish me luck on finals because I'm about to start my homework right now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye! Mwah!